Today we're doing part 4 of Just Tornadoes 2. As you could see, we're in our car as usual. I just spawned it. We don't have any new cars for this episode, so sorry for the viewers that were expecting. Okay, so here's our car, and currently there's no tornadoes. It may say it's a tornado warning, but there's none because that's usually just a glitch. Okay, let's show our probes to you. If you're new to this channel, here are my probes. Starter probe, missile probe, umbrella probe. I may not show the starter probe. The one the old viewers are used to is the gyro probe. Wait. The gyro probe. Okay, let's go pick them all up. Okay, so basically, in this video, we're gonna try to get the highest EF this vehicle could possibly go. Okay, whatever they're saying over there. Rama, hamburger! I see a hamburger, I'm gonna eat you! Okay, that's not a hamburger. Okay, I don't know what to do. Okay, let's stop joking around and do this seriously. Okay, that's not even funny. Okay, so let's check the radar. This video is gonna get boring. Wait, let me pause. Wait, let me pause recording. Wait for me. I'm gonna go time lapse this. Wait a minute. I don't know how to time lapse. So I'm just gonna pause my recording and gonna unpause it when I see a tornado. Currently, there's now a tornado. Okay, let's go back inside the car. Wait, I have to show you the tornado. There it is. Okay. Now, let's go in. Dominator 3! Okay, we're getting off our Dominator 3. Which in real life was made by Reed Timmer, my favorite YouTuber. He's my favorite YouTuber. That's why I'm playing this game. Okay, that's us. The green dot saying XJ. And that's us. XJJGS something. Okay. We're gonna go forward. Hey, I'm making a video. Thank you. Thank you.
But you eat it outside.
Okay.
I just put it outside.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, we're going now. So, we're going up this. I just have a conversation with my uncle because you might get confused with Tito because that's what people in my area call it. Damn. Go. That's a high EF. Go. Wait, sorry, I may be too noisy. Oh, come. Oh, there you go. We're good. Turn. Job probe, missile probe, umbrella probe. We're going. Okay, maximize the volume. We're sensing high wind. Okay, so we're gonna only do one tornado in this video because each part does one tornado and sometimes a new car. Okay, let's go. Recommend me some what do you call this? Games you want me to play. But it has to be related to tornadoes. Okay, we survived the tornado. Nice movie. Okay, currently. Wind speed going down. Wind speed going down. Yep, it's going down. Going down. Max speed 175. Current very low. It's undeployed. And all we have to do is go back to the farm and end the video. Okay, let's go. I'm scared if you talk too much, I will get, like the video. It's just that I don't want to be dragged into